What's going on, guys? Trent here with SonarPros. Got an elite boat here that we buttoned up. It's one of the Japanese anglers fishing the Elite Series, which is Koyo Fujita. He is kind of like what we've done on Taku's boat the past 3 years, is running transom mounted forward transducers. What a lot of people don't realize is why this is really popular over in Japan is a lot of the lakes out there are very featureless, and side scan just isn't as beneficial as forward units. So a lot of the Japanese anglers find benefit in having the forward units off the jack plate, just so they can better understand what they're seeing on side scan, because they just don't use side scan to the extent that we do in America. So nice thing about Garmin is the transom brackets work really well for forward units. This is how we've done it for the past 3 years on Taku's boat, whether it was LVS 32 or 34. There's some aftermarket mounts coming out now that I've seen that look great, but we've always just used these transom mount brackets, and as you can see, it is rock solid to the jack plate, and it has the adjustability to change the pitch angle. If you're looking at doing one of these, definitely give us a call. It's definitely some beneficial technology, I think, for suspended fish. When it comes to structure, if you're a high-speed idler like myself with side scan, you're going to kind of find this almost a little bit useless. But the nice thing about this setup, and what is really cool about it, is suspended fish, you'll pick them up. The biggest thing when mounting these, if I could give tips to anyone if you're looking to do it yourself, this transducer needs to be level from front to bow, and then you need to mirror the pitch angle for forward, because there is not little indicator marks as far as forward position. So easiest way to do it, get that bracket level, bow to stern, and then get the transducer level in down position. So you'll actually put the transducer in down mode, level it off, and then your one click back is your forward as seen here. It's definitely crazy. We're starting to add all these live scopes to boats, but it's definitely something that if you're a competitive angler and you're looking to put a little bit of an edge, this is definitely a good system to look into. The one thing I will say is this does interfere with side scan. So just be mindful with that you're probably going to pick up some interference on side scan.